Hey there, I'm Katie with WTI, and I love to mix and match the finishes in my home. So when I saw these measuring cups and measuring spoons, how adorable, by PrettyFine, I knew that I had to have them for my new kitchen. They mix rose gold with wood and they are just beautiful. Something that I think is really unique about these is the real wood handles. I love that they come in different tones. I think it just looks so good with our butcher block counters that we have. And how cute are these measuring spoons? I like that they mimic the shape of the measuring cups and they're not like a normal spoon. Especially when I'm using the little 1/4 teaspoon measurement, I feel like a scientist. We have hand washed and machine washed these. I wouldn't recommend putting these in the dishwasher. Although it didn't fall apart, it did remove the finish, so I know I'm going to have to use some oil on it to help reseal it. I do like that it does have the holes in here so that you can hang them. They do come with chains to keep them all together. Very sadly, I have already lost them, but once we get our shelves installed in our kitchen, I'm gonna put little hooks and each of these will be hanging on a hook, and I know I'm just going to love how that looks. I was really excited to get this entire set together. I've been so happy to add these to my kitchen, and I think you will too. That's my point of view.